hope you all are well. Welcome to Tech Tour. Today I am gonna show you about a new video how to apply this Arizona State University. It's a popular for every work. The email have GitHub working, also GitHub working, and it's have also library. Many of people use it for education. Let's start the video for how to create this email perfectly, apply, and how to complete got an username and password. So let's start the today's application. First of all, you have to go to apply button, then apply now. Then go here is the application. Then wait a minute. What's going on here? Then put the information of mail address here. For the first time user, you will got this page. Then select online. Then select it. Yes, and continue. And you will got this page. And put the name of your according to your mail address. And must save this information to your notepad. Here. Then put your birth date. You can choose anything. I am choosing according to my notepad. And the mail address. Then the password. I am choosing my own password. You can choose anything. And start application. And after that you will got the information page. Then mail, United States, the address. I repeat, you have to save the information of your application detail, because this information is most important during we will going to activate the email. then zip code, this also, and the mobile number. That's the mobile number. Also select it. Put the mobile number same here. Then no, then white, then again mail, then none of this option. Then I am a US citizen. Country of birth, then select United States, then the social security number. This is a very important thing, and you must note it in your notepad. No, then you have to select I have never been affiliated with Arizona State. Then no, then English, parents or legal guardian don't need to fill up these things. Then select it. Also don't need to fill up these things, and continue. Something there is a role or social security number. You have to click the social security number without dashes. So there are our social security number 2041. Again 244172041. Then submit. The page was very important for after giving the back message from the university. Without the information of profile, you can't activate the email. Then you select the state again. The city with the Garner. You have to select this information according to your address actually. Select anyone. March 2023. Then don't need to add a college. 7 country. It is okay. Just select it, not got a problem, and save, and yes, select no. Arizona residency, select your state again, then continue. Oh, finally successfully done it. After that, after selecting this, select it, submit application, and successfully we submit the application. And within a few seconds you will get the information or a back message or a confirmation message from the university. That is the message.